What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today's video is not really a cooking video. It's gonna be a gardening video, which I also shot the instructions on how to do this over on my home gardening channel. I'll provide the link in the comments to that channel. That channel is gonna be all about gardening, how to grow all kinds of vegetables and food, both inside and outside. I have a grow tent inside this room, which is going to be the office I'm going to be used to film these videos. The tent is a 4x4 area that I grow plants in also. So if you live in an apartment, you can definitely follow that way of growing plants. If you have space outside, you can do, you know, what I'm doing outside here, which is a permaculture method, is growing plants using the environment and nature and not adding anything synthetic or artificial. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to grow hot peppers. These are Thai chilies, and if you guys watch a lot of my cooking videos, you know that I use dry chili powder in a lot of my recipes. Well, funny story with these is that they came from a bag of dried chilies that the seeds settle at the bottom, and my dad accidentally planted these thinking that they were a different type of pepper. He thought they were sweet pepper. So he planted like 40 plants, and now we have a ton of these. But the chilies that we're gonna be growing today are actually super hots, or the hottest chilies in the world. I have Carolina Reaper here. I have 7-pot brain strain. There's 13 varieties that we're gonna be putting into these containers. And they're ghost peppers. I mean, they are the hottest peppers in the world. So I want to show you guys this simple system and take this opportunity to recommend you our home gardening channel. This is a lot of fun. It has been a life-changing hobby for me to get into gardening. And I mean, it's a free gym outside when I go out and rip weeds, and, you know, I'm in the sun, and it's amazing. I don't have to pay for a gym membership. And mentally, it is amazing to see your plants grow and produce your own food. So I'm going to show you guys, you know, just this video on the channel. And then I want you guys to go over to the home gardening channel and subscribe, because I'm uploading up there almost daily, even more than this channel these days. So basically, these are 3.5-inch to 4-inch little pots. And what I have in them is just a soil mixture. I use my own organic compost, peat moss, and native soil, the soil from the ground outside. And this about 33% of each, so equal parts. And then I mix it outside and then put it in a bucket and bring it up here. So these fit 18 of these squares in one of these 10 by 20 trays. Underneath is a black tray. It's called a 10-20 tray. And it's standard. A lot of nurseries use them. And I wasn't doing this before this way. I was using just cups. And, you know, the cups are round. And it's not as good as these. These are a lot more practical. I think I paid 11 bucks for 60 of them on Amazon. I'll provide the link in the comments and also in the video description. So if you guys want to order this stuff, you can order it through our link and our affiliate link, and then we get a little kickback from Amazon. So anyways, basically what I do is I take you know, one of these little bags of seeds, and I just order these seeds in different places online, and I put it in a little container like this. I separate them, and then what I'll do is, like, we'll just pick this one. The only one that's got a plant is this one. And I put a little dimple in the soil with my finger. Actually, you know what? Let me do this one, because I think you guys will get a better view over here. All right. So I'll put a little dimple in the soil. And then I take my little tiny seed with a pair of pliers or tweezers, and I grab it. You see, it's just one little tiny seed. And then I'll just cover it up. And this was a death spiral. you can tell the pepper's gonna be hot when it has a name like Death Spiral, right? You gotta love it. So I'm gonna take this little thing. These come with the containers. You get, I think, 60 of them too. You get 60 containers for like, I think it was like 12 bucks or something. And then 60 of these little markers. So basically I just put Death Spiral on the marker. So that way, if, you know, I decide I want to move one of these containers outside, then I know that there is a Death Spiral in there because it's individually marked. Now, if all of these were Death Spiral peppers, I could just, you know, put Death Spiral on the outer tray and that would be probably fine. But it's more secure this way. That way you don't get your peppers messed up. And I've done a lot of that. So basically there it is. It's got its own little marker. And you guys can do this for tomatoes. You can do this for any plant. It fits 18, no, let me see, 3 by 6. Yeah, it fits 18 of these containers in one of these trays. So they're nice and practical to move, you know. You can have them inside and then, you know, if you're, my issue is the heat. So I just keep them inside my grow tent. And once they get, you know, big enough, probably in like 2 months, when they get, you know, bigger and it's cool outside, then I can just take them outside without much shock. So that's basically my plan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You start growing your own plants a try, and give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, remember to go and subscribe over to the Home Gardening channel. I'll put the link in the video description and in the comments. So I'll see you really soon on the next one.